Hey, Prezi people. Yeah, here I'm gonna polish the floors. Um, the wooden floor is scratched up and dull. So before he moves in, the client moves in, I'm gonna polish them up for him. Right now, I'm spraying cleaner on them so I can get all the dirt. And I already swept, vacuumed, and now I'm cleaning them so I can get all the dirt, dust, and grime off of the floor. So, yeah, you guys, I'll show you guys the product that I'm using. Bona. It's really good. I'm using the Bona the cleaner, and Bona the high gloss polish. So I'll show you guys in the video, but it works pretty good, so I continue to use that. But for these, since they were so dry, I can tell that the previous folks didn't take that good of care of the floors. So it's gonna take me several coats to get it really back shiny the way it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna do a couple coats this time, and then come back in a month or so and do another couple coats, and it should get back to normal, get the high gloss back. But right now you will see it glossy, but it dries up because the wood is so dry. We gotta bring the life back to it. To bring the moisture back. So yeah, I'll keep showing you guys throughout the whole process. So just check it out and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Right now we're back at my uncle's place, and actually polishing the floors up right now. Just gonna put our first coat on for today, and then probably come back in a few weeks and throw up obviously the people before. I'll show you guys while I'm doing it, so that way you guys can get a good look. But it's looking decent. You see the difference over here. It's a little more dry. I haven't did this yet, but over there, down there, looks great. So I'll show you guys what I'm up to, and that way you guys can see what's going on. It's really good. We've used all kinds of stuff, but this seems to work the best. So check that out, guys. Check that out. Look at that. See that? So it's really glossy right now, just because it's wet, really wet. So it has to dry a little bit, but it won't dry the same right now with that high gloss, because like I said, it's gonna take a process and the steps. So, but eventually we'll get it to that point where it's looking just like that. So look at that. Looks like glass. Looks like glass. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Yep, so I'm gonna do the whole floor, but I'll check you guys out once I'm done. Okay, and out. Okay, over here we are steam cleaning the carpet. So it turned out pretty good, so check it out. Alright guys, finally done with this property here. Oh, long day. Yeah, we got it. Floors are shiny, everything is clean, doors wiped down, windows, countertops, light fixtures, ceiling, cobwebs out the ceiling. We even did the vents, the outside windows. Oh man, we went all in this one. Proud though to say it's a great job. I think my uncle gonna be very happy, pleased. Yeah, that's the finished product. Sorry I can't do the walkthrough. I
just polished the floor, so gotta get them time to dry, but I'll come back for you guys so you guys can check it out afterwards. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in with Presidential Media, all our great people out there. Thank you so much. Definitely check us out for some more content. If you guys can, drop us a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep making some wonderful content for you guys, some inspirational media for you guys. So that's it for today, guys. It's already like 11 something, almost midnight, man. I'm still going. After this, I'm gonna go clean the clinic. And man, I'll see you whenever I get some sleep. Thank you guys.